Hello everybody and good morning. Today I'm heading down south, gonna meet up with Greg and Matt, both Tesla owners. We're also amateur radio operators. We've got an antenna job to do at Matt's place today. And I really just wanted to kind of show you that I'm leaving the house here with 31%. I know there's been a range anxiety deal where everybody is freaked out and you got to charge to 80 or 90 or 100% every day, but it's not any different than a gas tank or a diesel tank full of fuel. You don't run over and fill it up every last second. Well, I don't either. I kind of get up, I figure out what I'm going to do today, figure out how far I can go. At 30-some%, it's about 100 miles of range, and I probably will drive half that today. Anyway, let's head down the road. We're meeting up for breakfast, and let's get something to eat. I'm now eastbound on Interstate 26. Got a little ways to go. Nice morning. It's chilly. It says 42 on the car, but I think it's about 39 or so. It is winter here in South Carolina. See what the fossil fuel's doing. Yeah, a little expensive. Hate to be driving a fossil fuel car today. Yes, it is winter here in South Carolina. There's no leaves on the trees, and hopefully it'll, in the next month or so, it'll start warming up. This is our exit here, Highway 292, headed to the town of Inman, South Carolina.
Now take exit 10 on the right.
And who do I spy? I spy Greg.
Hey, there you go.
Are you ready to go today?
I'm ready to go.
Good. Well, let's go eat.
All right.
Come on, let's we'll go get something to eat here.
You were up late hammering the radio.
Oh boy, I was working the radio last night.
Into the face?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Hey Matt.
Hey.
Yeah, it looks like we got a lot of work going on today, Greg. Cheating there.
We're getting ready.
Yes, we're getting ready for today's job. What an awesome breakfast. Yeah, we're full. Now we're heading over to Matt's house. I've got some antenna work to do today, and we'll get that done. Just leaving Granny's Kitchen now. Headed eastbound on Prospect Street, headed towards Matt's house here. He lives over on the other side of the interstate. We're down to 22% now. And for you miles people, 63 miles of range. While Matt has a charger there at his house, I don't think I'll be using it. Don't need it. We're now southbound on Highway 9. Here is today's job. That is a 2-element stepper HF antenna. It goes from 6 through 20 meters. There is a 2-meter antenna above it, the Yagi, and it has a 6-meter element which we're going to pull off because we're going to replace between the 2-meter and the HF antenna. We're putting up a big 6-meter beam. Matt's trying to tie a bow line.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so out of the hole, around the tree, other way.
I think that's right.
Okay, all right. That it?
I think so.
Dang, you're hired.
Wow.
You're hired. Good work.
Yeah, you can put a loop in the center here if you want.
Yeah, I think that's, center that up. We're making a bridle to lift this antenna.
So Craig shows us how to do it.
Yep.
I'm not sure.
Let's see if he can do it right.
What do you want? Well,
Just a half hitch, you know, just around once. So we have a lifting point.
what, around here?
No, just tie a knot in it right there.
Oh.
Just keep the center point though, the center point.
Yeah.
There you go. And just a half hitch. No, well, you can do it that way too. As long as it doesn't slip on you, you're good. Like it's doing.
Sure, it's not going to slip.
That looking good?
Yeah.
Dang, you're all right. So there's our lifting point, okay? All right, we're taking a quick break. Matt's down from the tower. We found a rattle in the antenna, which we're going to address. We'll get that done, give Matt a great break here, and then we'll get back to it. How's it going up there, Matt?
Pretty good.
Okay, good. All right, Murphy's not going to leave us alone. When putting up the antenna, we noticed that this element would rattle, right? And the mechanism is we've got these very cool chrome-plated blind nuts. And the object is you take it and you stick it in the element, and it slides in here, and there's a little cap screw, which is here, that goes in, and it takes the center element and pushes it against the larger element, right? It's supposed to work. There's one caveat, that this blind nut cannot be longer than the side of the aluminum element, because then the cap screw can't squish it. So it's probably 32nd of an inch. Let me feel. Yeah, it's not much, 32nd of an inch maybe, where it's enough and it's causing trouble. The problem is the edge here. You see that? The edge of the side of this blind nut sticks out of the side of the center element, and that it doesn't allow us to sock it up. So we're going to have to get medieval on this and file it down. So there you go. And what's interesting, with all the other elements on this antenna, they were fine. So what did we end up? Either this element is too small, or the cap screw or the blind nuts are too long, or something. Anyway, so we're out here ready to put this up here at Rattle. Now we got to fix it, but better now than later. Keep pulling it away from the tower.
Yeah.
Matt's putting the U-bolts onto the 6-meter Yagi onto the mast. We'll lower the gin pole there and get it out of the way, and then he can rotate it around in line with the stepper Yagi and the 2-meter Yagi up on top. So we're getting there. Matt's going to lower the gin pole out of the way. That's essentially just a pulley to help us pull this antenna up. There, now he's lowering it. Got to get it out of the way of the antenna there, the 6-meter antenna, so that he can line it up with the alignment of the stepper. which is to your right. That's the head of the antenna, or the directional side. All right, Matt's got the 6-meter antenna turned, lined up with the 2 meters and the stepper Yagi. He's just tightening up the boom to mast clamp now. 50.1. Hold on.
Gotta be gentle with this. Come on.
Come on there.
You can do it.
Come on, you're an old guy. There you go. 1.6 to 1.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's really good.
Yep.
Good work.
What are you complaining about?
Holy mackerel.
I can say, well, it's not working because of that.
Oh, baloney. You know what? It won't be working? Is the operator.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
Pentium, that's an i5.
That's it. Okay, let me, we'll go ahead and stop testing here. It is a good day so far. The antenna's SWR looks good. That's standing wave ratio, which means that the antenna is tuned for this frequency just exactly where we're going to be using it. Matt's now cleaning up. He's taping up everything and making sure nothing's going to wiggle. And then he'll be coming down, and we'll take the gin pole down, and we're done for the day. Well, Matt, what'd you think? What do you think of this whole job so
Great
far?
job. Yeah. Thank you guys for the help. This is a great tool.
Anytime. Well, that's a great tool. You keep it, because you're going to be up towers way more than I am.
Yeah.
Good
Once a
deal.
week.
All right, well, let's clean up and get down the road. There it is. 2-element stepper, 5-element 6-meter beam, and a 2-meter Yagi above that. It's been a good day. Matt did a good job. We're just cleaning up. Just left Matt's house here now. We're down to 19%. The car had its temperature control on, maximum cabin temperature that was running, and it's 74 degrees here today. It is stellarly warm. Holy mackerel. Anyway, heading home. It's been a long day, but Matt's got his antenna up, and Greg and I and Matt all worked together to get that done. hope you liked today's video, and if you did, go ahead and click the like. And if you would, please go ahead and subscribe. Pass my videos on to your friends. I'm sure they'd certainly like it. And if you look, we're at 15% here. Get my hand out of the way. And as you can tell, you don't have to charge your Tesla every day. You charge it enough to go wherever you gotta go and then charge it up, just like you do your cell phone at home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like. And if you would, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. Pass my links on to your friends. I'm sure they would like it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.